Today, we're taking a closer look at guard blinds, a product that has received very mixed reviews from customers. On the positive side, many buyers are impressed with the 100% blackout capability. Satisfied customers confirm that the blinds create a pitch black environment even in daylight, something that has helped improve sleep quality for shift workers and light sensitive sleepers. The dual layer honeycomb fabric also earns praise for its insulating properties. Users say it helps block out summer heat and retain warmth in the winter, making rooms more comfortable year round. Another highlight is the easy, no drill installation, with some customers claiming it only took about 5 minutes to set up. Safety is also a plus. The cordless design eliminates potential hazards for children and pets. However, not all reviews are glowing. Negative feedback focuses heavily on quality and functionality issues. Some users reported unclear instructions and parts that didn't fit properly, making installation frustrating. Others received custom-sized blinds that were inaccurate, sometimes requiring them to cut the material themselves. Another common complaint is functionality problems. For example, blinds not staying fully closed or springing back from the frame, which compromises the blackout effect. A number of customers felt the materials were cheap and flimsy, especially given the higher price point. Others believe the total blackout claim is exaggerated, noting that light can still seep through the edges. Key takeaways from reviews. Guard blinds can be a good investment for those seeking true blackout and insulation benefits. However, precision in measurement is critical. Small discrepancies can make custom blinds unusable. The inconsistency in customer experiences suggest quality control issues that the company may need to address. In short, guard blinds delivers excellent results for some but frustrating experiences for others. If you decide to purchase, measure carefully, manage expectations, and weigh the potential risks. Thank you for watching.